Sana, si kweli, something that is true of them. There is nothing easy you cannot get through hard work. Everything good will come through hard work. So when people come to cheat you that they can double your money, they can triple your money, why can't they triple theirs to start with? So we are just calling upon our athletes and indeed our Kenyan people to be careful and to live honest living, decent living, invest in ways that are straight and honest. Don't try to look for shortcuts in life because you will not get anywhere. So that is something we
Waziri w'ekigosori Ababu na Mwamba nigatebe munanigo barachi kwene kingangusira bale abantu bali abawes banania ase ekigosori anene asabana bali babwate ebyegwa ao asensemeyo y'ekigosori ebama menyoko amone ekigosori chinde nigara kwanayo chingike aikirana asegetika chipsite ekyoto kaimeye county yo asinigisho abo asebara amamenyoko ayo akolekana ase egetiekyo nigatebe muna amamenyoko ayo ni arenchera yamo yokwene kingango sirabale ebyegwa ase Chinsemo au imeye ye Chinse osense ya Kenya.
Delighted to be here at the inaugural Chinsa cross-country run. Amazing course. This is an amazing place. I mean, from this point, you are pretty much at a rectangle of Gusii, Nandi, Kakamega, and Kemuma counties. From here, you can see as far as Mount Elgon. Beautiful place. The air is amazing. The course is very difficult, as we have tested with the Deputy President. And for us as a ministry and as government, this program is very much in sync with our Talanta Hela program of developing talent from the grassroots. The entries that have been registered for this run are a mix of some of the best known names in cross-country run. But we also have absolute unknowns, rookies who nobody knows about. And it's exciting to see young athletes who are dreaming to get to the big stage come here to use this stage as the point of breaking into the big league. So we see this really as a discovery run, an opportunity for beginners or those who are just starting their career to hit the big stage. It is a fantastic stage, and government is fully supporting this.
And Waziri, this race has been registered and given a silver, a bronze label status by the World Athletics. It becomes the second race after the Spring Cross Country, and we also have the Kipkeino Classic that has gold label status. What does it mean in terms of Kenya?
Because to cement Kenya's heritage, Kenya's position as the jewel in the crown of global.
Omorai wense Dr. William Ruto amono omorai wense ya Tanzania Samia Suluhu negati ya baraye kurwa ase orogongoro Afrika abo baikiranite ase egikaro kyogo chencha kwerire ekyo gyakorekanete ase ense gosekeganeta ase ense ya Dubai echingaki arenge ase egikare kyo Ruto negate nani gobarachi kobeka emero biro boikirano eyego chikwena kinga ngosira bale ogo chencha kwerire gosengo tanga bale ogo chencha oko anene ase ensemo ye orogongoro Afrika asibate binani ga orogongoro Afrika rwebwatiranirie bwikirano na sensengima ryo kwana kinga ngukora bale mochando bogo chencha kwerire.
A tendency to ignore Africa's developmental and industrialization needs and the failure to invest in our burgeoning young generation is no longer a tenable proposition. We cannot afford to neglect the immense potential or ignore the pressing needs of a continent on the cusp of transformative growth. Turning Africa into a green powerhouse is not just essential for the continent, it is also vital for global industrialization, decarbonization. Going forward, clear, actionable roadmaps for implementations are required. In turn, these call for a unified global effort to mobilize the necessary capital, for both development and climate action.
We have a choice, really, to leave a mark in the world. And our leaders are here. We want to challenge them that let us be bold. Of course, we need massive adaptation finance. We need loss and damage finance, but they should not come at the expense of bring what is most important, emission reduction, the phase out of fossil fuel.
Abakori mirimo ba posta ni kubono barachi wakanwa engeri yabo ne serikali enene umutinyo yoiga oikomi na kabere ayana mangana yomori kubotambe ase wizara ya ICT eludio waro abugoro chingaki aikiranete as bosio bwe committee ye bunge ye senate ase igoro asa yariganitwe ne bunge eyo nigo abakori mirimo ba posta baba bakorera mikira ase ugotakanwa kwengeri yabo egetambe egento keirere serikali kwimukya egetambukiro na kuboinyora ase okoba engeri yo yabo.
IEBC currently owes Postal Corporation of Kenya in excess of 1 billion shillings. We are requesting the National Treasury that those monies which are being released to IEBC be based on a conditional arrangement that at a minimum 550 million shillings from that outstanding financial outlay be channeled towards offsetting the debt that is owed to Postal Corporation of Kenya.
And I'm happy the CS has confirmed and assured us that he has given a caveat to ensure money that is paid to Posta will be paid to salaries that has been owed to workers close to 6 months.
Omorai bwabange ase bungene na kimani chungwa niga mwakire buya omorai bwobomo bwazimio Raila Odinga ase ogwanchana oroboti rwa bipartisan orwerwa betero kubwatoka eki yaita nabanya committee abo baringe asenseme yokoganyana amagana ya serikali ichungwa boigoni gate babuna nigo barachi gokora amangi gosemere memenge bakubwatana na amo nare Raila Odinga ase amatuko arimotwe nigo boigate bamuna yenege tambukiro eki yakyo na aroboti oruo inere egose step entangani ase ensemo ya magenero elia korokia buna na nigo barachi kogenda atambe.
Juzi nimeona chama cha ODM wamekuwa na parliamentary group yao na wamesema wakiongozwa na Prime Minister Raila Odinga baba. They said they support the bipartisan or the dialogue committee's report wholeheartedly and fully, and I must congratulate former Prime Minister Raila Odinga because he told us it is a good start. And I want to tell Baba Amolo Raila Odinga, every good journey starts with a good start. And that is exactly what we said in our statement on Saturday as we launched the report and as we submitted the report to him and to the president. That this is just but a start or the beginning of a continuous dialogue to set a new trajectory for our political engagements. That never again in the politics of our country shall we use violence as a means of transacting our business in politics. We shall get into elections. We have credible, verifiable, and accurate results and transparent ones. And the winner shall be announced and be congratulated.
Omwanchu morigari oroboti ororwa kimani chungwa igoro yoroboti rwa bipartisan achinga kiaringa se county ya Migori na rugo tokolera mangana maya asenchera yobwenge ase Chinsa echiga korende na mangi tukwarigana cya toko chukomanya chinga kichi koraga Chinsa ikomi chabono maragwa bato basokogenda atambe emero milione menge ere motwe twara oborigari obya imeya Ndizi TV na bobwanso bomoguse ere tariane Dorcas Kemuma na nigo twabwatene abiganya nchama oyone kinga amaryoge ne chibicha awekere asenchera erengikirano.
Ubwansu bw'omugusi. Laboratory ya Dynapath nige bwate ebirenko by'igoro byobokoreri bwokorenka marwaire bagotumia technology yekerero n'ekimashini cyekerero gwetera sobokoreri bwabo bya nigo bancheire n'ekiombe gya Kenya Medical Laboratory Tech and Technologist Board eliyokurwa bokoreri yobwo
samugeta kuna unarega kama elaptech por Dynapath Laboratories itari tumuna atori to kurida marwaire na malaria kuri tore sukari topima blood pressure kupima tore kidneys kupima tore liver function test zones laboratory
nkuru baro bokoreri buna microbiology, clinical chemistry, hematology, cancer screening, histopathology nabo igokorenka amarwaire buna HIV, brucellosis gose oburwaire bwa mabere, arthritis na yanda mange boigo nkorenka bare omubere bwensi asamarwaire buna prostate cancer asamange batalire imeyo muchobosongo asamagacho asansora complex center of Capital Roundabout angena National Bank kusoba kiresimi.
Najali afya yako, usigoje kuungua ndiposa ututembelee.
Dynapath Laboratories,
a legacy of excellence.
Nyamaka Multi-Handling Services yekubwatrana nensemo y'obulimi obutugi bwetugo n'ekinswe yeserikali ye county ya Nyamira nige gokorentera amorokeryo y'umwaka bw'ekiri bwibere ne a Agricultural and Trade Exhibitions and Family Fun Fair ebyo gusukia busyo ebirenka bye manifesto ye county ya Nyamira by'obulimi manufacturing trade for sustainable economic growth egati yalyo ranyororo nobokoreri bw'ekibengi ao chi company ao kyokorokererya iguru yamangana y'obulimi bwensi buli bwanchete kuligereria iguru yebyegwa gose talents n'ekigosori ky'abana amarokererya yo nigarakorekane guchakira rituko rya Jumatano kitariki Isano nemo goika kitariki 10 cy'umutenyi 12 ase skuru y'oboroso ya Nyamira DEP yere kimite miye muchuka kurwa stage nene y'Kigali imeye town ya Nyamira bono iliuko manyamange iguru y'amorokererya yo buna konyora ribaga iliyo nayo boyo mobo akesimi ase namba inoti Isano na Ibere yemo Isano nemo Ibere inoti Isano na Isato Isano nemo Kianda gose inoti Isano na Ibere Isano na Isato Isano na Ibere nye inoti Maragatato yemo gose inoti Isano na Ibere inye yemo Isato Isano Kianda Ibere Isato inye gosobari kireri yuko guchiase Eric Makanga 01@gmail.com Boigo mbabwateri baga ryukwege kachigari utari wakanera iryogo soa asamorokererya yo abantu abanene nigo bagwakana shilingi 150 na boigo abane 100 yoka agira bwango bwenyorere ribaga na boigo gwikira nororo asama tukayo iryubwe manyamange na boige mirobiri bekire iryogo sukabusi
Omogoko ekageni kali moigo
Omurigeria bu television ya Ndizi TV umurubiri Gusii Urban Blaze uyungo kirakira gituko rya Jumatatu wika ijuma guchakira Chinsa Isano na Isato wika Chinsa 10 na Petra Mukera na Miss F nigo gokoretera umuyego munene kigima ubukuru mwaka na boy guchengera ebyegwa by'abateria bamatera yabasaye
Tunawakaribisha katika Gusii Urban
Extravaganza.
The only 5-star hotel in Kisii.
Imagine.
Gusii Urban Extravaganza chitariki Ibere cy'umutinyi 12 asoma bogani Ukamen Park abateri buna Zaro Classic Van San Umunyama Malika Junior Adidi Flavor Smart Killer Musumari Najboy Pen Killer Oro Nyambobe Gaza City Okoa City Teddy Brown Man V Eriogo Rapper Steve Tiger Msanii Jeff the Puja na bandabange abubagendrete kwilikia Mbikere naroro na koreto mogoko guchakira Chinsa Isano na Isato chamugaso gwikarigo robe Bono ayibuno mwanchi wabateriaba na boigo mwanchi womurubrio Gusii Urban Blaze tware tariki yowe jiranaro elio yaliko basira chaka kugore ticket ya bono lipa na M-Pesa till number kianda Isano nemo marakane Isano eyemo gusua kesimi asichina mbichi elio manyamange ebesa yogo soiraro nichishili jichimi Ibere choka Gusii Urban Extravaganza na Gusii Urban Blaze ekebemberi bori Oasis Specialist Hospital Kisii ensemu yukurwa obukorrie guchia sabasubati barya bwibwa tranitie nigi gukumanya igoro yobukorrie obusera burya bakurwa guchia sebare.
Tumekuwa na majadiliano mengi kuhusu hali yao ya afya wanapokuwa wajawazito, punde tu wanapogundua kuwa wako wajawazito na wanapoendelea hadi wakati wa kujifungua. Tumeongelea masuala kadhaa kama vile lishe bora, afya ya mama, umuhimu wa kuja kwenye kliniki, umuhimu wa kujua vipimo vyako vya kliniki unapokuwa mjamzito.
Ngukumanya bare iguru yesabari ya antenatal postnatal care iguru yindagire koigumwana Gusii nutrition eye checkup pelvic exercises na boigo general consultation.
Tuko na pediatrician, tuko na gynecologist na general doctors na nurses ambayo watakuwa ready kuwasaidia kwa hiyo safari ya ujauzito.
Masomo tu nyorire